Hey everyone, I want to reintroduce Dr. Yvonne Huang, our friend. It's been a while since she's been on our channel, but she's been really working on her expertise in certain areas that I'm not very attuned to. So I want to get you the right information so you guys can do things safely and have fun with it. So I'm going to send you over to Dr. Huang right now.
Hi, I'm Dr. Yvonne Huang. I am a physical therapist here at Rehab and Revive. I specialize in pelvic rehabilitation and lymphatic drainage. The lymphatic system processes waste products and toxins in our body and is a system that is often overlooked in healthcare. It is important for us to maintain good lymphatic circulations to protect our body from these toxins. Lymphatic drainage is beneficial for people who have injuries, swelling, or had a surgery recently. Today, I'll be showing a home self-care technique called dry brushing. Today, I'm going to show you dry brushing of the face and the neck. Before we get started, make sure you consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have cancer or any recent acute infections. So you can use a roller, a dry washcloth, or a bristle brush to perform your dry brush of your face and the neck. Today, I'll be showing you how to use the rollers with the proper orders in order to drain the fluid towards the heart. We're going to start with your watersheds and your pathway. These collarbones crossing to the back of your shoulder blades are the important watersheds and pathways, so you want to open these up. I'm going to show you just a few strokes, but make sure every area that you are brushing or rolling, it's at least 15 to 20 strokes. We're going to start with your collarbone. So you're going to roll on your collarbones like so. Both sides, and then you're going to reach behind where your shoulder blade is. And then we're going to do your neck. There's a muscle goes from the back of your head to the front of your collarbones. Pretty much kind of target that muscle all the way to the front, from the back to the front, covering the entire neck. Then we're going to open up your jaw. To roll the jaw up and down, 15 to 20 strokes, both sides. Then you're going to cover around your lips, bottom of the lips, including the chin, side of the lips, and top of the lips. Then we're going to open the front ears, like so. Again, 15 to 20 times, both sides. And then you're going to run from your nose to the side of the cheek, covering the entire area, both sides. You're going to go to your forehead, covering every part of your forehead. And then you're going to go on your eyebrow. Now we're going to return back all the way down to your clavicle. Now every stroke should move towards your heart, okay? Down towards your heart, side, jawline, around your lips, your neck, then your collarbone. And you can brush the back side again. And that's the sequence. Hopefully, you have given the dry brushing a try and saw some results. Remember, this is a technique that can take time to work and often needs to be done daily. Check with your healthcare professional to see if lymphatic drainage or dry brushing is right for you. We love to hear your feedback and comments below. Let us know what you think of this technique. Hit the subscribe and like button if you want to see more of these kind of videos. I'm Dr. Yvonne Huang. Thanks for watching.